how to use Flowith.io. So a little tutorial and demo if you are a beginner. So this in general, we're gonna go and start from scratch and explain what this is as a tool. So it's an AI workspace designed for thinking, creating, and executing projects using an infinite canvas interface instead of your normal chat window. It allows users to interact with multiple AI models, connect ideas visually, and organize files or notes into a knowledge base called the Knowledge Garden, making it easier to manage research, writings, and automation tasks in one place. So if you want to go ahead and use this, you can just sign up directly in the website. Now you can do this here in the top right, which says sign up. You can put in a referral code if you have one by a friend or just someone you know, and put it over here. So you can choose whichever you like to sign up. You can use your GitHub, your Twitter, or your Google account. You can even use your email if you'd like. Once that's done, you can open up your Flowith workspace. So with this, you can start by typing a prompt or task. You can branch the conversations between your entire account, and you can compare results from different AI models. You can press a new flow over here to just start with everything else, and you can let agents like the agent Neo or whichever you're going to use that break complex tasks into steps and execute them automatically. You can also upload documents if you'd like over here, upload files or images. You can upgrade to use the batch generation. Now there's a subscription you can go for to make your Flowith tool much more stronger. And you can also have an AI that can reference your information while generating content, which will help you create articles, websites, research summaries, or other projects more efficiently. So you can go ahead and explore the Flowith workplace. Since it's very user friendly, you can go ahead to your account over here. You can go to the pricing and plans to compare each and one of them to just make sure you're getting the best deal that you can use. You can see your subscription, you can invite friends. This is most likely the referral code that we were talking about. You can give this to other people, and the knowledge garden that we pretty much just explained a second ago. So it's going to introduce you to the knowledge garden, so you can just take a look at that. So other than that, there's the explore more. You can take a look at other kinds of information if you'd like, but that's the general idea on what Flowith.io is. So again, it allows users to interact with multiple AI models and just connect the ideas virtually. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.